Welcome to the Painting Hands channel. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to improve your painting skill. Today, we are going to be painting wax flowers. It's really tiny flowers. When you see some tiny small flowers, have you ever wondered how to draw? I will show you away. Okay, look at these very beautiful, adorable, small, tiny flowers, right? Before we start, to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. I will be using Bright Violet by Holbein and Vermilion Green Deep by Sienna and Burnt Sienna by Holbein. And I will use white. For brushy, pointed round brushy from Winsor Newton and Da Vinci brush. Okay. Draw branches simply because I'm going to be painting abstractly, so you don't need to some detail sketching. First, apply water to the paper roughly and randomly. So I mean, do not wash all paper, okay? I'd like to use some part of wet on wet, and for some part I'll be using wet on dry technique. So start by splashing with bright violet here and there. Those dots that are fallen through the splatter technique will either become flowers or go into the water to make a pale colored bunch of flowers. That would be fantastic. Okay, and then I'm taking some bright violet and then just to wash clean water, blend that color here and there. Next, for the branch, I'm mixing burnt sienna and bright violet. Draw some branch, some part I'm using dry brushes, some part still that paper wet, so a little bit spread. For branches, do not connect all branches and flowers. Vermilion green deep mix and some a little of burnt sienna and draw some leaves. Not a draw, just dotting, just a touch for leaf. You can add on the branch with brushy greenish color. and color blend smoothly. Throw some more flowers. I want to say one important thing, that when you draw some abstract flowers like the today's painting, you should imagine that your body and hands are moving quickly, as if you are dancing. Dance with your hands and body. If you do like that, there will be some cool effect accidentally. Now I'm dotting here and there with a bright violet color. Still this flower color too light, so I'm going to add some splashy and blend colors. As you can see, there is too much empty space here, so I will add more flowers. Blend color with clean water. Draw some branch and flowers with bright violet color. I'm adding more leaf and branches. I'm using pointed round brush and continue draw in detail until you are satisfied. Not too much, not too little. When you draw this kind of abstract, using abstract effect, so you have to some imagination in your mind. So you can draw, if you want more, you can add more some flower, adding something new. Now I'm using white color splash on the flower. Here is a little too empty, so I'm adding more flower. I wanted to create a bunch of flowers without drawing small tiny flowers one by one, and I already uploaded another abstract flowers painting. If you want to draw more, click the link. I will link it down below in the description box. Okay? We are all done today's painting. I hope you have finished this painting successfully. Okay, I'm glad that you are able to draw with me today. Then see you the next time. Bye.